Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Matplotlib package on your PyCharm IDE. So as you can see here, I have this hello world project and I have written a very simple Matplotlib code here, but you can see Matplotlib package is not recognized on my PyCharm IDE, and also I'm using NumPy to help my Matplotlib to show some data. So this is also not recognized, right? So when I run this program, I will see error and it's going to show no module name Matplotlib. So to solve this problem, you can either hover over the Matplotlib, which shows this red squiggly line, and then click on install package Matplotlib, or you can click on more actions here, and then it's going to show you all the options, right? Now in order to properly install a package in your PyCharm project, what you can do is you can click on this file option and then click on settings, and then you just need to go to this section which says project and the name of your project. My project name is hello world, that's why I can see hello world here. Just expand this and click on Python interpreter. Just choose the latest Python interpreter from here. In my case it's 3.10, and then click on this plus sign and then search for Matplotlib here. So I'm going to search Matplotlib library and then press enter, and you can see this Matplotlib library option appears here. So I'm going to just select it. From the right hand side I can see the description of this, and it's from the official publisher. I can even specify the version of Matplotlib if I want to install the previous version of Matplotlib, but for now I'm going to just leave it as default. I just need to click on install package here, and then Matplotlib package will be installed on my PyCharm project. And now I can see this message and this green strip here which says package Matplotlib installed successfully. Now because I'm also using NumPy, so I'm going to just write NumPy here and then press enter, and then select NumPy from here and then install NumPy also. So just select NumPy and then click on install package, and it's going to install NumPy also. And I can see the message package NumPy is installed successfully. Once you see this message, close this window and you will be able to see the Matplotlib package here and NumPy package here. Matplotlib depends on different other packages, so you will see some more packages here in this list. So don't worry, just click on OK here, and now you can run your Matplotlib program. So I'm going to run it, and this time it's going to run successfully. So you can see that my Matplotlib program is running and it's showing this sine wave here. So this is how you can install Matplotlib on the PyCharm IDE. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.